Good morning.
Good morning to you.
Do you have channel?
Yeah, I have YouTube channel.
Okay, so what's the name of channel?
Convocraft 24.
Okay, so how many subscribers do you have?
Not much. It's like till now 27.
Okay, so it is the first class that please something tell about something.
Okay, sure. My name is Pinky and I'm connecting to you from Punjab. And as far as my education concerned, I have done my master's in Hindi honors and I'm homemaker. And simultaneously, I'm part-time working as a beautician. And along with I'm running a YouTube channel where I upload conversational videos. Yeah, for now. So that's all about me.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Actually, I want to ask one thing. That you have qualified master from Hindi, and that I say one thing that you are good in English.
Oh, but like I don't think so because I am improving like day by day. I'm not that much perfect. I'm making a lot of mistakes while
Okay.
conversing.
Okay, so why do you want to learn this language?
No reason. It's a skill and we should know about it. It is very common according to me in this era. It is very common. Everyone should know about English so that
Oh,
we can do better in our future. We can teach our kids too, I guess. You can introduce yourself too.
okay, okay. As you know, my name is Nishi Sani. If I talk about my academic, so I have qualified MA and also BEd. Basically, I am a teacher, and I
Mm-hmm.
belong to UP, but now I'm living in Faridabad, Haryana.
Mm-hmm.
With my in-laws, and
Mm-hmm.
simultaneously I'm also running a YouTube channel. This time I'm not working anywhere, but I'm looking a job in a teaching field. So that's all about me.
Okay. Which part are you living in UP?
From nearby Ghaziabad. Did you heard about Bulandshahr?
Bulandra. Yes. I heard about it like during my studies.
Okay, so please tell about something about your Punjab. You know, you belong to Punjab. I think you are living in Punjab. So, what is the means specialty in Punjab?
About to it's special about I consider Punjab is a very special about food and people and outfit too. Yeah, where I'm living, there are two or three things are famous. First, outfit, and second thing, Punjabi jutti, and third thing is you can say um, makki ki roti, sarson ka saag, and fourth one chudai. See, I
Uh,
am wearing now right now, but it's half and old chuda. And people are famous from Punjab because of they are very cool, they are foodie, and they are short tempered like me, and you can say they look quite healthy, chubby. Yeah, as far as I know,
but you are not chubby.
I am
I'm not,
chubby.
no, you are not chubby. If you can say that I am a chubby girl.
No, my weight is right now like above 60, and I don't think it's a good. Like I want to below 59. Okay, that's perfect. Otherwise, I consider myself I'm chubby. I'm not skinny and I'm not fatty. I'm in the middle. Like I am. Yeah.
uh, that's good. You know, I want to share one thing also. Why did I ask again that you are the Hindi student? Means I'm not, I do not want to let down, but I have seen many people also my peers group, so they are not good in this language, and they have so much afraid from learning this language, that we are the student of the Hindi literature, so how can we learn it? And so, and really, when I met you and I'm talking with you, so really that everyone, I think we have a only illusion that we always think that we can't do it because we are the Hindi student, and
Hmm.
we didn't study in English. But how can we say that? Till 10th, I think we studied in English, like uh, we had we had one subject. So how can we say that we are not aware from this language? Yesterday I was watching one video, so they told, they were means telling us that we always say that we can't learn it, we can't, because we didn't go in any private school, international school. Okay, we comes from we come from Hindi medium, oh sorry, English, Hindi medium school. So that's why we are not able to understand it. So if
Hmm.
gradually we start work on it, so definitely we will start learning, and we start to
Yeah.
speaking.
Yeah.
If
Yes,
we
at least we should try. Even I'm not from Hindi background. You can say I'm from Punjabi background. Okay, so at that time in my schooling or in my schooling time or college time, I have mentioned a lot of times like I used to cheat a lot. I'm not paying attention towards English because I hate it. Because I hate it. But nowadays I'm taking interest. Like earlier, I got to realize okay, no one can speak around me English. So if I speak English, then it would be better. I can catch everyone's attention. So in that thought, and yeah, along with one particular thought is was in my mind. Okay, it is kind of skill, knowledge. If you can speak English, then you can able to communicate with uh, foreigners as well. So that's why I started my journey. And I don't have any particular reason, but when I started my YouTube channel, so I thought, okay, I can, if someone is teaching English after learning, then why should I not? Then I thought, okay, I would like to teach people if I become English good speaker, good English speaker. So yeah, that is yeah,
So how long a time are you learning this language, and what
six
which type of
months.
difficulties did you face?
6 months.
Only 6 months.
Yeah,
That's
I stuck
good.
a lot. I stuck a lot. Like if we speaking about any particular topic, uh, like at that time I stuck a lot.
So
If I'm
how
not familiar with that particular topic at only that time, like normal conversation, I can do it with confidently, whether I'm making mistake or not. But yeah, but by time day by day, I'm improving because I'm putting my 110% towards English. So I'm getting result and I'm quite content. Yeah.
how much time do you spend for learning it?
30 minutes I do reading, not more than that. Sometimes if a story is quite suspenseful or thrilled, at that time I read more than that. Otherwise, I don't. And I listen more than 1 hour. And I started recently, like it's been 1 month or 2 months, you can say. And apart from that, I do speaking practice. Yeah, and it's been like one and not more than two. It's not at least it is 1.5 month. Half month. I started facing people while convincing them like through video call. I was underconfident, but when I spoke to someone on in my second conversation, at that time I was feeling very confident. But yeah, so yeah, that's what I'm doing. Later. Till then, take care and break a leg for your job. Bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.